Let's take a closer look at the main features of the EX-TEC PM 580. The housing is manufactured using professional two-component injection molding technology. The easy grip outer rubber coating makes the PM 580 even more robust. The gas detector fits perfectly in the hand. Of course, the EX-TEC PM 580 meets all requirements with regards to active and passive explosion protection. With the high protection class IP65, the PM 580 is optimally suited for use under adverse conditions. The recessed gas input prevents the probe connection from breaking off in case of accidental impacts. On the back, the PM 580, there's a removable belt clip for fastening the device to the belt. Also, there's a ring for a carrying strap. The belt clip has an integrated reception in which a short probe can be placed. If the clip is not needed, it can be easily unscrewed, making the PM 580 even more handy. The transparent filter fastener is also located on the back of the unit. It makes it easy to detect filter contamination without opening the lock. Should a filter change be necessary, the filter fastener can be easily unscrewed from the PM 580. A fine dust filter protects the PM 580 from sucked-in dirt, and a hydrophobic filter offers optimal protection against water penetration. The battery compartment is located on the underside of the housing. It can be easily unscrewed. In the holder are 3 AA rechargeable batteries, which can be replaced by alkalines if necessary. In addition, the EX-TEC PM 580 has a unique 2.5-inch LCD display that is exceptionally easy to read even in sunlight. You can also see all essential information and the measured values of all the sensors at a glance. The EX-TEC PM 580 user interface is very user-friendly and geared to the requirements of daily use. The entire navigation through menus and applications is done with 4 keys only. Thus, the EX-TEC PM 580 can be used and operated with one hand.